Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2016 Modules 47 SAM Capstone Project 1A assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Start with Setup. Open and save the provided Excel file with a new name. Verify your name is correctly displayed in the documentation sheet. Step 2. In Mortgage Worksheet. Calculate monthly loan payments using the PMT function. Create a data table to analyze different interest rates effects on the loan. Highlight the expected interest rate using conditional formatting.
Step 3. Amortization Schedule. Calculate annual principal payments and interest paid using formulas. Insert the down payment amount and define custom names for ranges. Protect the worksheet while unlocking specific cells for edits. Step 4. Data consolidation and chart creation. Group worksheets to apply uniform formatting to financial data. Create a 2D pie chart for Adela condos. Suite rentals and customize it with labels and formatting. Step 5. New In worksheet. Copy and prepare a template from the Pine Hill Lodge worksheet for the new in. Step 6. All locations worksheet. Use the Today function to display the current date. Summarize data across multiple worksheets using 3D references. Create a 2D clustered column chart for monthly revenue and move it to a new sheet.
Step 7. Cabin Rentals Worksheet. Import data from a Word document and format it as a table. Name ranges and set criteria for filtering specific data. Use VLOOKUP to retrieve information based on specified criteria. Step 8. Finalize and submit. Ensure the workbook matches the final figures. Save, close the workbook, and submit it as directed.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.